Hey everyone, this is Hale at TradeBot Secrets. This is day 20 of our trading journal. Let's go and take a look at what's going on today. It looks like there's lots of movement. And of course, we bought the wick again. Look how close this wick is. I don't think I could be able to do that at all without this tool. But of course, there was probably an order here and an order there. But with my current position, it just kind of dollar cost everything down to about this wick right here. So I think yesterday, the day before, we were probably like in here or somewhere in here. I'm not sure, but it took profit and we closed out some orders. So let's go and look at that. Let's pull this up here. Oh, let me shift this up real quick so you can see the uh, the zoom in of this wick. There it is. It's just right there. It's just way at the bottom at 103. Is it 102.33? Is the position? Yeah, 102.29. That's it right there. And we were able to close out some positions here. So let's go look at that. Oh no, that's what we sold. Current positions at 102.331. And let's see. All right. So I think yesterday was pretty good. We closed out four orders at 16, 12, 16. So let's say it's 32 with another that 32, 42, 44, $54 yesterday, and we have an unrealized still with 55. So it came back down, picked up more positions, and we are now waiting for it to pump up. I think at 2 o'clock, which is 10 minutes from now, it's going to reset the rungs automatically, and we'll be able to probably take profit a little lower here, maybe one or two more rungs as it flashes back up. If it comes back down, great. We'll just kind of play the sideways action. This is good volatility for me. About a 2 to 5% spread on both sides. And if it's 5 on both sides, it'll definitely hit these both rungs. But 2 on each side, I'd say 2 to 3, will definitely go sideways enough to be able to bank back and forth. It would just take up $50 orders each and every day and start to build up that position. Okay. All right, and let's see here. Let's see what my overall bot is right now. My overall vault, right there. And I wonder if I could create more vaults. That would be interesting. All right, so current position is this. Oh, they put me at 20x again, which I'm not, but hopefully that gets reset. And we have a closed P&L there. Our current investors wise, I'm up $277 for my 22K put in. My daughter now has 10 bucks, so she's at 1%. And then I had a YouTube viewer, I forgot your name. He's up like $2 or $3 now on day 5. So it's a slow and steady climb. We're going to about to 1.3% now. I think maybe on month 2 it'll be a little more substantial, especially if we get a big drop in price so that I can fill more orders and we get more in. We're kind of like dancing on the surface right now with very little, $1 to $2,000 in position. If we get more in the $5,000 to $10,000 position, that would be a little more juicy, and go from there. I was kind of looking at CoQual66 and CryptoCat. These two guys are pretty active, and I was just kind of interested. I mean, they had long. CryptoCat was doing really well. I think he was up $600 on his position, and then decided to close it, and now he closed the $70 from a $600 gain, I think, and yeah, now he's back down. He's closed 70. Now he's shorting it, and I'm like, no, don't short it. And so and he 100x that. So I think he was up to like negative 150 or something like that, or 150 bucks. But now he's kind of gained a little bit because it's coming back down. Uh, and then looking at Coco, he also shorted too. Let's see his position. Yeah, he's starting. He was a couple hundred bucks down too, but now it's starting going in his favor, going below 104. So we're back down to 103. And looking at that, his close P&L, he took a little bit of profit off on each one. I think he kind of closes out small positions, and I'm not sure if it's a bot that's really taking profit. I mean, there's some huge ones, but I'm like, dude, he could have taken it, but gave it away. give it back, and then finally switch to short. So yeah, I don't know, kind of lot of work and effort. I don't know. Well, hopefully it gains overall. He's doing 34% for the month, which is great. Put the work in, and let's get not just big percentages, but big dollar amounts um, in the portfolio. All right, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow, and we'll give you an update then. Okay, bye.